Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I hope you'll stick around to see our homeschool journey. My name is Jamie and I'm a homeschool mama of 3 boys. They are age 8, 6, and 18 months old, and I was a former public school educator and I taught grade 3rd, 2nd, and kindergarten before I finally decided to stay home and teach my kiddos. So you guys know that I've been doing my homeschool videos and I like to do a planning video in the beginning of the week. And then last week I did my first Happy Planner video. I love Happy Planner. I am obsessed with Happy Planner. My main homeschool planner is a Happy Planner, which I do those videos quite frequently to plan to show you what I'm doing for the week. But today's video, I wanted to do one video a week that is just based off of my planner and goes with my Happy Planner and different things that I do and plan. So today I'm actually going to share with you a bunch of Happy Planner stuff that I bought over the weekend. The majority of it I got on sale and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So I'm going to show you that stuff now. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you, I actually paid $10 for this. I got this one at Walmart and it is a guided journal and it's a goals journal. So it says go after your dreams. I love this cover. I love this quote. It's not about having time, it's about making time, because I think that's so true in my life and everybody else's life. You have time for what you make time for. And then the actual journal looks like this. This week's big goals, a quote to follow this week, important due dates this week, list 3 things you can achieve your goals, list 3 role models that inspire you, your milestones for this week. And then they have it broke down into days. So this would be like day 1. What is your goal for today? Today's task. Write 3 positive daily reminders to yourself. 1 thing that made you feel hopeful today. What is 1 lesson you learned today? List 3 wins for today. I love this. So this would be like Monday, Tuesday. Says the same thing. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and they all say the same thing. Sunday, and then like a note, go out and paint the stars. And then it goes into your next week. And the same thing for the next week. Monday, Tuesday, all the way through. So the next one says focus on what matters. Again, beautiful dividers. I'm so excited to use these dividers. The next set says great things can happen when you have the courage to be yourself. And again, all the sheets inside are the same. And the last one says keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. So technically this would last you 4 months and then you would need a new one. So that's what it looks like. Well, I'm assuming 4 months. I'm assuming there's enough in here for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Yep, it's 4 weeks. So yes, it will be good for 4 months and then you would need to get a new one. But I love this one. Very excited to use that. The next thing I bought was this. Now this was on clearance. I got this for like $6 at Michael's. I don't have a mini Happy Planner, but I'm excited to use this in my classic. And it comes with this. It says wear this bracelet as a reminder that you are enough. Again, I love that. Surrounding myself with those who encourage and empower me. So it has these little cards, cards. I'm excited to use these and mail them to people because I like to mail cards. And then it has little happy paper. This is dot grid on this side, lined on this side. This says love my life, daily affirmations, and then 3 things like a to-do list. No, it's got a little thing in it. And it says, I am always manifesting, I am peace with, I have the power to, I'm an all of, and I attract success by. So again, I love those. And then on this side, they have these little cards. I choose to be confident. I'm adventurous. I have everything I need. I honor my body. I surround myself with love. I surround myself with those who empower. I live my life with gratitude. I am worthy. So, and they have a little thing on the back. So I might use these for something as well. I'm not sure yet. And then they come with these where you can pop them in, and they're like I don't know, just a happy quote that kind of makes you feel good about your week or day. It says, surround myself with those who empower me. I radiate sunshine and prosperity and love. I never give up on myself. I'm consistently learning and growing every day. I like this one a lot. And then it comes with some cute stickers. Look at these stickers. My happy list for the week. Daily affirmations. I am enough. I am worthy. I have courage. I am loved. I am grounded. I attract success. I accept myself. I choose joy. I always have the hardest time getting the stickers back in there. So we're just going to stick them over here. And I like to stick this in there too. So the next thing is I got this, and this was like $1, which is a really good deal. And I like to keep one of these in my purse just to have. And it says do more of what makes you happy, and it has little paper. So what I'm gonna do is, this is one for my purse. I have one that I have over there now that I like to keep my I actually keep some passwords and stuff in it and keep it near my computer. And then I bought some more refill paper because, again, the refill paper was like $1. So I bought 2 of these. And then I bought these, which are big stickers. I don't really know what I'm going to do with the big stickers yet, but I'm not going to take these out because they're a pain to get back in. But it comes with a bunch of ones. It says, I'm a happy planner. She planned a life she loved. Will work for planner supplies. Happy planner, just living my best planner life. Planner's got a plan. I'd rather be planning. Wish list. Washi is the answer. What is the question? Sorry, I'm busy planning. Planner life, planning in progress. I thought these were cute, and again, I only paid a few dollars for these. $2, I think, was what I paid for these. So all the sticker books were $5.97 a piece. So now I'm going to show you the planner books I bought, the sticker books, and these were $5 a piece, so I was really excited about that. This one's Happy Illustrations. Drink tea, kind books, enjoy life. Read books, enjoy life. Focus on you and be happy. I love these. These are so cute. So I did buy a lot of sticker books, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time flipping through. If there's a certain book you would like me to do a whole video on, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to do a flip through of a book with you. This one is going to be super quick. And I actually bought 2 of these because I liked them so much. I love the boxes. I love the big flowers. I love these leaves. Look at this cute little jungle spread. Cat and dog spread. This would be great for springtime. A fruit spread. The llamas. A planner babe ones. Look at this cute little Halloween. These are season ones, first day of autumn. Okay, so it's definitely my Happy Illustrations. I'm pretty excited about that one. Like I said, I did get 2 of those. The next one I'm going to show you is Color Story. I like these little blobs of paint. They remind me of summer. I feel like this is a good summer book. Even though we're in fall now, I can totally see myself using this. And like I said, I'm just good for spring. I'm doing a very quick flip through. If you would like to see them in detail, again, just put the book down below and I will go in detail with them, or just say, hey, I want you to do all of your sticker books in detail and I will flip through them. Look at this. I love these blues. I have big plans for this for decorating. A lot of these I'm going to hold off until next year, but that's okay. Because this one's just bright, and I feel like brights go better in the summer. Okay, I got this one. It says your shopping list. And I do have a meal planner that I would like to go through with you guys as well. where I write in our meals, like a recipe book, and I really wanted to use these for my recipe book. I love these. These are adorable. Look at these big bisques. And then this says dates on it. So I might actually use this for some type of journaling. I'm not sure yet. I also got a fitness one. I actually picked up 2 fitness ones. Because again, they were only $5. So I'm going to show you a flip through of one really quickly. So it's like this week at a glance. Eat well, feel good, time to sweat, workout, and then it has like your workout stickers. So I told you in November I wanted to start doing my fitness planner. And I thought, what way to get motivated than to buy a sticker book? Stickers motivate me. So all those just said workout. These say different things. So sore, healthy habits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Use these for like snacks. Then more like just sayings. Sweat, smile, repeat. Wake up, beauty, it's time to beast. Not really sure what you could use these for, but I'm sure you can figure out something. And then your steps. So I bought it. This is the happy illustration. See, I knew I got 2 of those. And I got 2 of the color story. Okay. And I got 2 of the recipe. So I'll show you one of those now. And again, I'm going to use this in my recipe book. I'm super excited about that. Some of these I might put elsewhere, but like in my actual planner, I don't know yet, but I definitely won't. Kid-friendly, family fave, meal prep, weekly menu. So these would go in my regular planner. Menu. A lot of those. Meal plan, change of plans, takeout. I love that. Celebrate. And then you just have these such cute graphics that I can use in my recipe to decorate. And then it says recipe review. So I like this too, so I can pop it in there and say what everyone thought about the recipe. Meal prep. Just some blank ones, some blank little list. New recipe, dinner party. And then the last thing I'm going to show you I actually got from Walmart. And I had to pay full price for this, but I was so excited because it is a new The Disney Princess, the Happy Planner. And I know these are not even supposed to be out in stores yet. So when I walked in and seen this, I was like, ah! And I had to pick it up. So I'm going to do a flip through of this one as well. So it's got your Snow White. And the 7 drawers. And it has Cinderella. More of Cinderella. What was her name? Titiana? I don't know. I love Princess and the Frog though. It's like one of my favorite Disney movies, so I don't know why I can't remember her name right now. Mermaid. I guess this is Rapunzel. That's what it looks like. You can see, like, I'm not the best with my Disney princesses for some reason. And then you just have these that's like never afraid, chase your dreams, dream with your heart. You control destiny. The bravest thing you can be is yourself. I love these. And these are so cute too. Do good and good will come to you. Let your dreams lead the way. Stay true and embrace your journey. Be proud of who you are. Never be afraid to dream big. Make your own magic. Oh, and then look. I love the little frogs. Sebastian. And then there's the princesses together. It says Girls' Night. How cute is that? And they say Friends with Who Brunch. And that is all that is in this one. So cute. Alright, and that was my haul. So I'll pull it all out so you can see real quick. I did have to pay full price for this, but I got these, the recipe ones, the color story ones, 2 of those, 2 happy illustrations, 1 like this, these stickers, 2 of these, this little thing, the little thing, and this journal. Super excited with my haul from this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching.